Hi, Champs. So we're going to continue thinking about our question, our debate topic. Should humans drink toilet water? We asked Mrs. Ryder yesterday when she popped into our room and she said, oh no. But I bet that even after she learns about some of the research we've been doing, she's going to maybe change her mind too. So yesterday you heard me read the article, Toilet to Tap, the Basics. Or maybe you read the article, Toilet to Tap, the Basics. And it was your job to take notes here, right here, in this category, notes from Toilet to Tap. And if you look at the heading, it says benefits, the benefits of tertiary recycled water. So on this page, you wrote about the benefits. And then you scrolled down and you wrote about the negatives of drinking toilet water. Or not really of drinking toilet water, but the negatives of the tertiary recycled process. Maybe you're remembering how expensive it is for communities to have this 3-step recycled water system set up. So there were some negatives to it. Today we're going to be watching a video. It's shared in your Schoology assignment. The link to the video is shared in your Schoology assignment. This video is called Would You Drink Water Made from Sewage by Minute Earth? So you will want to pull up this document from your Google Slides and maybe have it up on the side of your screen and have the video up playing on the other side of your screen so that you can see both. Or maybe you're going to want to grab a piece of paper and a pencil or some Post-it notes so that you could write about the pros and the cons from this video. So just like yesterday, you're going to be taking notes in 2 places. We're thinking about this topic from both sides, the benefits and the negatives, the pros and the cons. So today, you're going to watch our video, and then just like before, you're going to find the page that says Toilet to Tap Notes, Benefits of the Tertiary Recycled Water Process. Remember, focusing on benefits. Benefits equals pros, and then you're going to watch the video and put your positive, your pros for drinking sewage water or tertiary water, recycled water, here. And then you're going to scroll down 2 pages until you get to the page that is titled Negatives of Tertiary Recycled Water, the cons of drinking toilet to tap water. So make sure you watch this video and keep adding to that schema about this tertiary water recycling process. And maybe your thoughts are changing. Maybe you're deciding, hey, you know what? I think that so long as this recycling process is done correctly, I'd drink that water. It's important to have water and it's clean. Or maybe you're still thinking, no, something could go wrong and we could get sick and this is too expensive and it's just disgusting. Who knows? Maybe your opinion will change from the beginning after you're gaining more knowledge, or maybe it'll stay the same. All right, champs, go ahead and keep researching this topic.